Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a full glam look under rupees 2000. Yes, you heard it right. So I'll be using all the drugstore product. By using them, you can achieve a full glam look, which I will reveal at the end of this video under rupees 2000. So let's get started. So right now I don't have anything on my skin except for my moisturizer. So let's start with the color correction process. So here I'll be using Mars color corrector palette, this one, and I have taken this brush and I'll start putting it on my skin, but first I'll use this orange corrector. Since this is a cream product, so always prefer using this brush, which is flat and which can easily take the cream product from the palette. The coverage is really nice of this palette. So, and you can easily get it in like 500-600 from Nykaa, and this time the Nykaa sale is on, so this palette you can get it on discount. So in case if you have major pigmentation and very dark circles, then you can just use more orange on your dark circles under the eyes. As I have little bit pigmented lips, so I am just putting little bit of orange on my lips as well. All the blending I am doing with the same brush. Next, as I can see that I have covered all my marks and all the dark circles with orange color. From the same palette, I will pick up the next color, which will be a darker shade, 1 or 2 shade darker than my skin tone. So this is the appropriate shade, so I'll pick this. So with the same brush, I'm picking up this shade. Like this, you can pick it up and just tap on the orange. For people those don't have so much pigmentation and so many marks on their face, they can just directly put a darker color concealer on their face and skip the orange corrector. So as you can see that all my acne marks and dark spots are covered just by doing 2 steps. So next I'll move on to a lighter shade which can give me that glow. So next shade from this same palette would be this one. So I'm just taking this shade which will serve as my foundation, using the same brush, taking the shade and putting it on my skin. Till now I have not used any blender, but once I'll put this shade, then I'll just, for the seamless finish, I will just use a damp beauty blender. Don't take very much product or more product in first go. Just build the coverage step by step. Same product, I'm just putting it over my neck because we will not be using any extra foundation after this. Now I have taken a damp beauty blender and tap tap tap. Remember, the pressure of the beauty blender should be very appropriate. You don't have to do like this, you just have to dab with very light hands. So till here we have just used one palette only, which is for just rupees 5 or 600 rupees. Now next we will be doing loose powder to make our makeup sweat proof, budge proof, transfer proof. So here I am using Maybelline Fit Me and I'll just put it all over my face. So I have taken a pizza puff, powder, as you can see that I am putting a little bit more product under my eyes as compared to rest of my face. This is because under eyes are the part of face where maximum creasing happens. Though the Mars palette which we have used is a cream based palette, so there are very less chances that creasing will happen, but still, to make our makeup sweat proof, setting powder is really important. So once you are done with powder setting, let our base get set for 1 or 2 minutes. In the meanwhile, we will do our eyes. So for eyes, I'm taking this Maybelline Colossal pencil and now I have taken a small brush and I will smudge to give my eyes the smoky effect. We are done with the eyes. So by this time our base is also set. So I'll just show how our base is set with the loose powder. So what difference the loose powder actually makes, I'll just show you. Our makeup is just locked. It is not getting transferred. I'll just show you with the tissue also. This means that now we have a transfer proof makeup. Let's move on to the next step for achieving that full glam. So this is the sugar palette which I have taken. This has blush, contour and highlight. So we will be doing all the three things from the same palette. First I'm going on with the blush. So there is only one option of the pink color, which is really nice. So I've taken this brush, soft fluffy brush, dust off the extra product and just go with very light hands first. Now I'm done with my blush. Next I will pick up the contour from the same palette. So this will serve as my bronzer. So same brush, same palette, dust off the extra and little bit of bronzing. Done. Now same palette, same brush and highlighter. Some highlighter on my nose, some on the middle of the forehead, and some on my chin. Now done with my blush, highlighter and bronzing. Now next step would be the lips. So for that I'm using this Mars pencil, which is just for rupees 60 or 70. Just filled my lips with the same pencil, and then I'm using this Nika mini lipper. And we are good to go. So I'll just change my clothes, come back and show you the final look. Please do comment and tell me how did you find the video and how do you like my look. Bye. Hi everyone, I'm back with my new outfit and this is my final look with sweat proof makeup, no lines, flawless base. So please do comment and tell me how did you find the look, and if you find this video useful, please do subscribe and follow my channel. Bye.